Hi guys, what I wanted to teach you about today is broken color and how to use that in a painting. And what exactly does broken color mean? One of the best ways to show you that is with the simple block setup here. Although it appears boring to start with, it's actually very challenging once you get into it, and I think you'll enjoy it. So what I'm going to do first is paint this block in a tonalist method, painting it just as I see it, and then I'm going to add some broken color into that painting to make it more interesting. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. I'm from New Zealand, hence the funny accent. And in this lesson today, I'm going to show you how to set up this simple still life so that you have the best chance of painting it accurately, how to mix and paint the color that you're seeing in front of you. I'll take you through painting the basic cube. Then I'll show you how to use the color wheel to mix color that will vibrate in harmony with the colors you've already used. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use this color technique to take the color work in your paintings to the next level. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.